Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 4.2 question number 2. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. 2a. A is 3L is equal to 42. Dividing both sides by 3, we get 3L by 3 is equal to 42 by 3, right? 3 cut, that is it will cut, it will get 3, and 42 by 3, if we divide 42 by 3, we are getting 3 1 is 3, 12, 3 4 is 12, that is L is equal to 14. Now question number B. Question number B is B by 2 is equal to 6, right? B by 2 is equal to 6. Multiplying both sides by 2 we get B by 2 into 2 is equal to 6 into 2. This 2 will cut, that is B is equal to 6 to the 12, right? Now we will solve question number C. Now question number C is, here you see question number C is P by 7. P by 7 is equal to 4. Multiply both sides by 7, we get P by 7 into 7, not P but it will be 7, we are rubbing it here, P by 7 into 7 is equal to 4 into 7, not plus but it is 4 into 7, 4 into 7, 4 into 7. So this 7 will cut and becomes P is equal to 4 7 is 28, right? Now question number D. Question number D is 4x is equal to 25. 4x is equal to 25. 4x is equal to 25. Dividing both sides by 4. Dividing both sides by 4, we get, dividing both sides by 4, we get 4x by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. 25 by 4. This 4 will be cutting. 4 and 4, 4 and 4. Therefore, x is equal to 25 by 4. Right? Now we'll solve question number E. Now question number E is 8y. 8y is equal to 36. 8y is equal to 36. Dividing both sides by 8. Dividing both sides by 8 we are getting dividing both sides by 8 we get 8y by 8 is equal to 36 by 8. If we change into lowest term, we are getting 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 36, again 2 2 is 4, 2 9 is 18, and 8 8 will cut, 8 1 is 8, 8 1 is 8, therefore y is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Now question number F. Question number F you see here, it is z by 3. Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Multiplying both sides by 3. Multiplying both sides. Multiplying both sides by 3. 3 we get here you see z by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 by 4 into 3. This 3 will be cut, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. 1, it is 1. And here it is, we are getting 3 4 is 15 by 4. That means, therefore, z is equal to 15 by 4. Z is equal to 15 by 4. 15 by 4. Right? Now we will solve question number G and H. Question number G and H. Now, question number G is a by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. Multiplying both sides by 5. Multiplying both sides by 5, we get a by 5 into 5 is equal to 7 into 5 by 15. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5. That is, we are getting, therefore a is equal to 7 is 7, that is 7 by 3. Now question number H. Question number H is 20t is equal to minus 10. 20t is equal to minus 10. Right? If we divide both the numbers by 20, dividing both sides by 20. We get 20 t by 20 is equal to minus 10 by 20. Now 21 is 20, 21 is 20, that is 1 and 1. Here it is, this 0 will be cut, right? Therefore you can say that t is equal to minus 1 by 2, that is t is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.